In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you real quick how you can add back and front design to your t-shirt on MyDesigns. So first I'm going to import or upload the design. So here is the design that I just upload, and then when you finish upload your design, click right here to upload all and then upload design. So okay, now I got one design. So if you click right here, they will tell you the PPI of your design. So make sure it's 300. So first I'm going to use the new Canva, or you can do it with the old Canva as well. Select the design right here first, and then click on the Canva. And then when you click on the Canva, you click right here on upload. You just go right here, you click on upload, and then you upload the same design. And then when you finish upload the design, it will be show up on your design list. As you can see, the design is right here. Just click on your design, and then the design will show up right here. But I got to change the template to t-shirt size Gildan 500, and then here is the design right here. And then I'm going to zoom the design to make sure it fit. And then this is for the font. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to add it to mockup 1, and then click on save. So now as you can see, so I got two design, and then with those two design, you're going to click, make sure you add your title and description as well. I'm just going to showing you how to add the designs. Then when you finish with tag, description and titles, you're just going to click on publish and click on product. And then when you come to this product page, and then you choose your store and then click next. And then when you click next, you will choose your t-shirt. Let's say you want to sell on Bella Canva, and then just click your company, and then right here is where you will add your design. So I'm going to change this color to maybe white, and then next you're going to click on this is the font design, the one that the main file is the font design, and then the mockup one is the back design. So you want to choose the main file for the font design. So I will also change you how you can change this name, this main file name to font design, and then this mockup 2 to back design, so you don't get confused. So let's put the main design in the front, and then in the back we're going to put the mockup. So now you got two designs, one in the front and then one in the back. And then next you can choose your price, and then you can choose all the color that you want right here. And also the thing that I forgot to show you is the back mockup. So you can, if you want to add mockup, you can go to create mockup, then you can click 3001 and then back, and then I'm not sure if there is back mockup. Yes, I don't think there is back mockup on my design, so I haven't tried to add any back mockup. Just in case, if you find any mockup with back design, you can just add the shirt right here and then choose the, let me change the color, and then you can choose your back to mockup 2. So it would be better if I change the name just to show you so you don't get confused. So let's say I want to change this name. If you want to change this right here, this slot name, you just make sure you click right here on template, and then here you can go to right here, here is the name, you click on it, just click font and then click update, and then right here on mockup 1 you click for the back design and then click update. Then when you're done, click on save change, and then click right here on update template and design. So I want to change the listing as well, that's why I choose this option, and then click update. And then now if I click right here, it's a font, and then right here it's a back. So when you create your mockup, you can just click on back and check on 301. I don't think I see any back design on this right now. So if you, just in case you found a mockup with the back design, just make sure change this to back and then put it in the back, and then that's all you do it. And also, if you want to move the design from the back, if you want to make it right here or make it bigger, you can go right here to this slot on the back, double click, and then go to the, you can go to old Canva, and then you click right here to zoom it, and then you can zoom it all you want right here, and then move it whatever you want, and then just click on apply. And then now, as you could see, the design got bigger. If you go to it, create a new slot. But if you don't want a new slot right here, when you do this, you just click right here on, when you choose output, you just click on back. So if you want to delete this one as well, you can click on it, then click on all action, and then click on delete file, and then this one you click on it and then delete. And that's all. You change the size of the back image. If you want to make the font smaller, and then let's say font pocket, you can click on it and then go on the old Canva, and then you move it to the font pocket, probably be right here probably font pocket, and then output, choose font, so you can keep the same size, and then click apply. Now this design will be for a font pocket. If I go to mockup, and then as you could see, it's pretty much font pocket. You can go back to fix it in a better position, maybe move it down a little bit and make it smaller. You can go back to font and then do all that to the old Canva. So pretty much this is how you upload back and font design on MyDesign. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, and you can use my link in the description if you're new to MyDesign as well. Until next time, peace.